welcome. If you are new here, thank you so much for clicking and watching this video. Make sure to click on that red subscribe button and that bell next to it to get notified when you post new videos. If you are a regular, thank you so much for coming back. First things first, we need to sanitize our hands and check our temperature as well. Record our details on the daily log sheet. And then our day can start. Welcome to a day in the life of a culinary student. Because of COVID, we have separated our classes into two. So one day we come in for theory, one day we come in for practical. So here I'm just showing you the theory class. There's not much to show you except for social distancing, but we'll go straight into practical because that's more fun. And when we get to practical class as well, we need to make sure that our hands are clean because we'll be handling food. So we want to make sure that we are sanitized and our practical can start. That's my chef lecturer, Chef Princess, and my classmate Fahim. Here I am rolling out the chapati. We are going to put this on the stove. First heat up our oil on high heat and then we fry it off. When it starts bubbling, turn it on the other side. Try to use a spatula so you don't get your hands burnt, and we'll serve this with our tofu and chickpea curry. Yum! Okay, allow us to wrap our items as we have to go downstairs and sing our chef lecturer a happy birthday. We are back. So here we are piping our mashed potato, topping our pork sauce with our pork belly, plating our sweet carrots, and squirting applesauce. Doesn't that look amazing? Make sure to click on that subscribe button if you haven't already. Our next dish is a slow braised lamb neck served with fondant potatoes and vegetables. That looks amazing. When we're done cooking, we need to leave the kitchen as clean as the hospital, literally. So we tidy up our things, sweep the floors, and mop them as well. We also wash our own dishes. At the end of it all, our chef lecturer will taste our food and mark us down. So this was made by another class. They made pita bread, chicken roulade, and pilaf rice. It's break time, so time to cool off and do whatever you feel like doing. This is the bathroom, so it's separated into students and staff to control how people go in. As you know, wash your hands after using the bathroom. It's a protocol. Come on. Now we are just having our lunch and relaxing. This is my friend Kanye. And this is Refilwe. Thank you so much guys for your assistance in this video. This is Zama. She will be giving us a tour of the school. That was the waiting room. This is our school's kiosk where you can buy donuts, brownies, churros, drinks, anything you want, you will find it there. And our friendly staff will be happy to assist you with your purchase. When you have bought whatever you want, you can sit by the waiting room here, or you can come in and sit by the chill area if you're a student, and if you want to make some research, you can use the computers or the books. This is Chef Cat. He makes some mean macaroons. If you're interested in that, tell me and I will upload a video on how to make macaroons. This is Chef Rian. He is our chocolatier and he is making truffles today. On with the tour. If you wanna keep your things safe, you can make use of the lockers. Just get yourself a padlock and your things will be safe. This is our pastry kitchen. This is our pastry lecturer, Chef Lucky, and our pastry lecturer, Chef Kelvin. Here he was demonstrating to his class on how to plate. This is the James Koza Culinary Lab. Let's go up and I will show you the Eris Johnson Culinary Lab. This is our theory class where we get our theory lessons. We're still upstairs and we have our restaurant Conception. It's a restaurant run by students to help us get our hours since industry is closed because of COVID-19. So please come in and support us. If you'd like to see how all of these wonderful things came out after preparation, make sure to come. It's opening on the 1st of August, so come through. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I will see you on the next video. Make sure to like and subscribe as well if you haven't already. Keep safe. Bye.